If you want to check the activation date of your Galaxy A17, so in this video I will show you the exact process of how to do that. First of all, just open the web browser app on your Samsung phone. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now just open the Samsung website of your country. From here, just tap on this chat bubble. Now just select promotion and discount. Now just enter your details in this list. For an example, in the name section, just enter your first name, then enter your last name, and in the email section, just enter your email address. Then enter your phone number, and after you enter your phone number, then select I have read and agreed to the privacy policy, then tap on submit. From here, just select speak with expert. Now just wait for a few seconds. As you can see, they are asking us to wait for a moment for them to connect us with an expert. And as you can see, they have replied. Now just type, I want to check the activation date of my Samsung phone. Then tap on send. Then go to your home screen and open settings. From here, just tap on about phone. Now just tap and hold on the IMEI number and copy the IMEI number of your Samsung phone. Then go back to the website and paste your copied IMEI number over here. Then tap on send. Now just type, this is my IMEI number. As you can see, they are asking us to wait for a moment. And as you can see, they have replied. And they have sent us the activation date of our Samsung phone. And as you can see, the activation date of our Samsung phone is the 13th of November 2025. And this is how you can check the activation date on the Samsung Galaxy A17. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.